Great draw, Mike. Good day, my name is Billy Barnard. I'm representing Mpumalanga in the upcoming inter-district tournament in East London from the 10th to the 15th of March. First, I want to introduce the team. On lead, we've got Michael Maheri from Secunda. On second, we've got Rian Lambrecht from Nelspruit. On third, we've got Brian Price from Witbank. And skip, we've got Billy Barnard from Witbank. It's a real honor for us as a team to represent Mpumalanga, the inter-districts. We've got one motto in life, and as a team, there's no I in team. Coming together is the beginning. Playing together is progress. But working together, that's success. One for all, and all for one. Guys, can't wait to see you guys there at the inter-districts. All the teams we're playing against, travel safe, work hard, and let the games begin.